Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 135. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jiyan. She was still on the hospital. Finally, she's been rekindled to her mother. Food is already here. She must really hungry and have a jet lag after arriving. Finally, she can take rest and also get some food to eat. This girl, she is really worried about her father, but finally, her dad, it seems to be getting fine. After eating food, it's already finished. Turns out, she did not lose appetite, but she really eat well, knowing that her father is already fine and it is not really in the bad state anymore. Of course, she can really eat well. Jiyan said, "Thank you, uncle and aunt." Xiaofang brother. Now, she's been really thankful to her brother and also to the parents. It's really sure that everything is fine now and they really can leave her alone. If it weren't for you today, I really don't know what to do. Jiyan said to her aunt, "This time, it's really troublesome for you." Now, she really feels that she really bothered her aunt and also her aunt. But the auntie said, "If you are in." Now, looking at her aunt, seems to be happy, seeing Jiyan is already fine now. Also about the family. Well, they're really happy for them. Now that the situation is stable, we will go back first. Aunt, she moved closer to her and holding her tightly. Jiyan finally. What happened after that? Feel free to contact us. Anne said to her. Until now, they got really worried about the condition, but of course, they really need to inform from time to time. Jian, at this moment, finally, she came back inside. Mom, you should go back and rest first, even if you only sleep for a while, Jian said to her mother. Now, she want her mother to take rest first. She know to herself that she really suffer a lot, especially she really can't sleep well. Right now, Jian is here and she can able to take care of her father. This is a protracted fight, Jian said to her mother. Well, of course, they really need to stay strong for the father. Now, let's see. So, you have to take care of your body and don't fall down, Jian said to her mother. I am here and once there's any news, I will let you know immediately. Jiyan is assuring her mother that she will inform her whatever the news came by. Her mother said, I am here. But, of course, Jiyan, she was insisting. Her mother need to take rest. Go and take rest first, Jiyan said to her mother. Her mother was looking at her. Suddenly, she got fussed. Well, she's seeing Jiyan. She is really worried about her. But of course, right now, Jian is trying to calm her down so she can able to take rest and also to get recuperate. Then, I'll go back first. We'll come over at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning to change shift with you, her mom said to her. Finally, her mother is able to calm down. She will go back home. Jian, she will left at the hospital. It's okay to go back later. I will change shift with my sister Wei and Wewe. Since the three of them will sleep tonight at the hospital, this is good. She will not feel bored about this. But now, looking at it, Mom, it's just that they have to work hard to find a nearby hotel. If you don't mind, or clean rooms at home. Her mom said to the two girls. Well, she was right. Then, thank you, Auntie. Then, I will accompany my aunt to go back first and then come to change shift with Wewe in the middle of the night. Sister said to her, everyone is helping each other and everyone has a plan to do. Well, definitely at this moment, they need to take rest first so they can able to get energy for this. This is a long fight. So now, they need to stay calm and also to gain more power and energy. As for Jian at this moment, she was looking at her mother. Words to you. What do you want for breakfast tomorrow? Mom is considering asking her what does she want for breakfast for tomorrow. Hearing this, Jian, she is really surprised. She said, "It's okay. Mom, I love everything you cook." Oh, right now, she was smiling. Smiling is really truth. Without any hindrance, it was really a pure smile from Jian. After a while, on the long period of time, finally, she can able to speak with her mother again. The hospital, the two of them. So it turns out, he was holding a paper bag. Jian said, "Why did you go back again?" Well, this man, she was really go after for Jian. Also, he is like a family. Especially, is she going to pursue her back? Well, maybe it is. Why are you back again? It's a little bit cold at night. I'm afraid you will catch a cold here. And I took 2 blankets. The man said to Jian. He really cares for Jian, also for her condition. They gave her something. Mom also asked me to bring you the clothes you can change. The little brother, wait for me. I changed my clothes first, Jian said to her. Now, it makes sense. Man, he's really going to wait her. I just saw that your heel was worn out, and it's still uncomfortable to wear high heels to run around. The shoes are new and bought according to your previous size. The man said to her, well, he was really good, right? He is really caring and also he is considering her feelings. He seems to have grown taller and you don't know if your feet have grown. It is so late, where does he have place to buy such a pair of shoes? Jian, she was asking herself. Now, he's asking Jian. It is fit. Right now, Jian, she was looking at the shoes. Well, it turns out, it also fits on her. So right now, she can walk comfortable. But the answer, maybe I don't even want to know. Well, she was afraid to know the answer. That's why she don't want to ask her a question. She can able to relax and also walk around in the hospital. Also, thanks for the man that he can able to get her this. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!